Alright. We go live. How we doing, everyone? What's going on? What's up, Loopum? Ivo, Spud Game, what's going on? Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're joined today in the chat with LogicalEdits.
Hello.
Hello, Governor. And yeah, we're making this map with him. So, how's the map coming along? Well, I'm kind of not working on the map per se. I'm working on the code at the moment. So, the map's it's not coming along greatly, but it's super modular. So, I mean, the way it works is it'll take 10 seconds to actually build the level. And then it won't take long to actually detail the level because you only got to detail each module. And then, yeah, I guess some of the biggest work will be actually building some of the outside areas. And well, I guess we're going to build every single moon. There's quite a lot to do. I think we should start with the assurance, maybe. Although you want to make Lethal Company feel it like vibe, like moons, right? You don't want to actually make the exact replicas.
Yeah, like not the exact ones, like our own style type.
So it should be a lot easier to do, really.
Yeah, because we could do it in any way we want. That just allows us to have more freedom creatively.
We're gonna do use a lot and bother with like a vision files to make it look like that sort of type of cell shade. Okay, so we don't have to do too crazy high poly exteriors based on Lethal Company. Be pretty simple. I can start mocking an exterior up. But yeah, guys, the plan is to literally have the entire thing set up as one level. So you'll be able to go in the spaceship down to a moon or planet, and then go to the labyrinth, the maze, and then come back out, and then take the ship back into orbit to then go to other planets. So it's basically the entire game of Lethal Company built into zombies. But like, yeah, 2.0 with a bit of a Black Ops 3 twist. There's a lot to do.
Sure, that's pretty much.
Yeah,
I should start blocking out the planets. I only got about an hour and a half left. I've done a lot of work on the scavenger though, so I could take a break. Scavenger's almost done actually.
Hey man, have you got a deadline for when you want to get that done?
The scavenger? No. I just work on it whenever I can. I want to send it over to Luke or Thomas Cat. He's gonna rig it and animate it.
Fair. It does look good. I set for planets, I set 0 as the spaceship. Just because I don't know, it felt, because then it ties into the ID arrays. So like these items here are tied to the spaceship. Otherwise,
I did see that.
Otherwise, I'd have to change the array system, like the ID system, a bit, it just makes it easier. So when you use the planets array, you'll just like, yeah, just drop the first one. Now I'm getting a phone call. I need to take this. One sec. Honestly, sorry about that, chat. No, it's all good. This music going. Yeah, so Planet Zero is a spaceship which just helps tie in the code so we can have the planet selected as the main value that determines where the player is or should be. So you can imagine Spaceship as like also in orbit or whatever you want to call it, but in space.
The spaceship in itself is going to be a task, just because we have to turn it into a vehicle and then link all the clips to it so that we can walk around while it's flying.
Yeah.
Are we reading custom zombie models? I was thinking of doing that. Like I was going to make custom player models, view arms, and zombies.
At the very least, like if we run out of time, we literally have the hazmat suits, and we could just turn them orange. Like that's the poor man's execution of it. But yeah, custom players would be cool.
Because I was also thinking of doing custom animations for them as well, just like Goofy running and walking.
Oh man, could you imagine? I'd love to add loads of goofiness to it, just to make it really funny. But
that's what I want to do.
Do you know what's really
taser, right?
Yeah, no. Do you know what's really sad? The fact that Noah's probably going to play it solo and he will miss out on all of that. What we'll have to do is we'll have to put in a third person mode button or something. Like just for Noah. Maybe on the console. Actually, I might fuck around with the Lua menu. What we could do is when he's playing it, we'll just tell him put a third person like command in. You got to see the animations. It's made for co-op, and then he'll do it. But yeah, that's if we don't miss him playing it. Yeah.
I'm gonna take a break from Scavenger and start working on the map.
I haven't sent you the latest prefabs if you want them for whatever reason.
Yeah, send them to me.
Cool.
So for the looting, all the loot spots, I'm thinking we should only have them spawn. Like we're gonna have to create like a cache or something so that the loot only spawns when you're on the planet and then despawns when you're off of it, so that it's not all loaded. So there's not a lot of
yeah. So what we'll do?
Facility, just so there's no.
I know how to do that.
Any limits?
Perfectly. So what you do is on the code that I wrote here, this spawn loot, this will have an end on, like loot life or whatever. So we kill all the loot when the player leaves, which will kill it all.
All right, perfect. Yeah.
But yeah, instead of end on, we could just have a cleanup task that goes and cleans it up. But yeah, because I don't think end on won't actually like deregister stuff, but we can do that with a cleanup task, which is fine. And that's why here in the script string, I've referenced planet 1. So the structs have a reference to what planet they are.
Okay.
Because that way, yeah, that way, literally we can just place them out however we like. And like I was literally going to have predetermined spots in each like module. So if I go to like here, for example, prefab browser, custom maps company, and then go to like this room, catwalk, so go to it, and then I'm gonna grab these spawners, and what I'll do is place them around like this, and then I grab these, default. Yeah, just want to zero it real quick. Okay. So I'll be doing this for each one. But I would save this prefab so let's see prefab, and then maps, company rooms, and this is the catwalk. Yeah, catwalk. Stamp, and what that means now is when we're placing these out and building the level, all you have to do is hit stamp, and then you can assign these to the planet they're on, if they're on planet 2 or planet 1 or whatever, and that's already set up. So you can basically, yeah, you could hide all of the things and grab them, and then it'll take 2 seconds to set up the planet. But the what loot spawns on what planet basically is going to be a variable on that struct, that's script string planet 1, planet 2, planet 3, planet 4, so that we only spawn loot on the right planet. And then basically every time you leave the planet and go back into orbit, it will just run a cleanup task, clean everything.
Okay.
Be the easiest way of doing it.
Wait, where are the company? Which planets? Okay. We have 7 planets? Yeah. Trying to think how we could have, we're only going to be able to have 4 sun volumes.
Yeah. You can make fake sun volumes. You can make a fake sun volume. So you could have a sun volume which is like this one, for example. And then inside here, just put in a skybox, like this, for example. So then when you're inside this, when you're inside this model, that's what you see. And then the second you go out of it, it turns into the other one. But the thing to note is that the SSI color and the lighting conditions are going to be the same between those ones that share a sun volume, which is fine. You know, we can use custom volumes to mess with the lighting to make it look however we like.
Oh yeah, we could use PBG volumes or whatever they're called. PGB boxes, PGB, PBB, peanut butter and jelly.
Exactly. So we got that.
I'm gonna download. I'll make a few. That's actually so smart. Because then we can have. What if we have one sun volume, right? But then we can control day and night using the 4 lighting states. We have morning, afternoon, nighttime, mid-afternoon, and then nighttime. It'll look jank. It'll just be a hard transition, but it's like the best that we could do. But everything will be in one sun volume, and then we'll just have the different areas or planets within the skybox model. So we can set up the lighting all the same, but it'll have different skies.
I think we might
change the colors with V color.
I think we might have to make these ourselves, like these models, because
quick. That's so easy.
Yeah, you just make like a sphere pretty much with the right UV. But yeah. I don't know why it's not working now. It has this weird behavior.
All right, I'm gonna get and then we can also have a space one too, which allows us to have that. Excuse
me. Yeah. Right. I'll put on some other music. Hey there, Mr. Gad. What's up? K Gaming, hello. Right. Yeah, got to check that this array logic's working. The only thing that's not quite working is right.
We might have to make different versions of skyboxes too, then 4 versions of each. Morning, afternoon, late, night.
Why do you want to do that?
Well, just so it would match the lighting as well.
What? So when they're on the planet and it gets late, it gets dark.
Yeah. So the skybox isn't like the same color. We could just
I'm worried.
Model.
I'm worried you're gonna overcomplicate this. Like, because there's the perfect product, and then there's the MVP. Like, and I feel like we should focus on the MVP first, and then when we've got it to a place that we're happy, and if we still got time, then start doing that.
Okay.
You know. But yeah, that would be good to have day cycles in each planet. It just adds a lot of complication, because then your SSI states, or the lighting states, would literally be lighting states, and you'd only care about how bright it is. So you could probably have 3. You probably have like light, and then sort of sunset sort of, and then dark, and just flip between, and then just what you see as an actual skybox changes. Right, that is already compiled. Let's go check it out. I need to add that logic in. So I was a bit worried that if I set the planet number on these just as a script in. Let me go to loot spawn, grab all of them, and then I'm gonna change script string to 1. Okay. We've got an int and a script string. items are.
How big are you thinking each planet should be? Like if you were to drag it out in radiant, like just square units.
Including the maze?
No. Just like each
Yeah,
planet that you
exterior.
can walk around to find. We could just do it one square, 8192 by 8192. I feel like that's huge. It wouldn't be bigger than that.
Wait, what? 8192, yeah. I feel like that's the sort of the max we'd need.
Yeah.
And that's just the including the vista. So the playable area would probably be like yeah, maybe a quarter of that. The playable area being 4096 by 4096. Yeah, a quarter of it. Even that's pretty fucking big. Yeah. All right. So it's doing a lovely job with the loot, but it's pretty nice. It's giving me items that it shouldn't. Interesting. So I need to change that. I don't want to do with man. No, this is just anti-Jamie. No, man. I can work on what I want. You're not going to force me to work on what you want me to work on. The deadline is still the same, bro. Don't worry about it. In fact, I've got a new commission coming in, so there's even more work that I'm going to be doing on other projects. If you can imagine that. Mr. Gad's going to blow a gasket. Right, so this thread loot thing. Yeah, it's almost like it's not waiting. This items is not. Yeah, it's not right. I've got to figure out why. It's not making a separate rate. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. I'm going to do items equals array like this. And then I'm going to grab level.lc items. So like this. And then if it contains it, then items dot items dot size equals items like that. So we're now building an array, which is different to stripping an array. So yeah, we're checking to see that it's contained in there. I'm gonna leave that print item appropriate. Item allowed. I'm gonna put. So that is it. I'm gonna do like item array created, and then cool. Now that is set up. Yeah, perfect. Cool. I'm wondering what other systems I should build. Let's do the clear system. So function loop reset. Call it. And then here I want to do for each. Let's do here. Spawn loop. Okay, I'll loop. Okay. Let's do for each spawner in loop locations. Is defined location.model location.model delete location.trigger trigger register location. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's literally all that's needed to get rid of all the loot. It's that bit of code that cleans it whenever you leave the planet. So, don't know if you're still there. Hello? Oh, I mute. Wait, no. Don't know. Right. How you doing, TNT? What's up, man? Patch, hello, hello. Alright, I'm gonna spawn in just some sample loot. Hello, 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 Lord. You there?
Oh, yeah. I was just showing you the code. So that's all that's needed to clean up and reset the loot. Okay. Oh, bet. All right.
So we just call that when they leave. Alright. Red loot. Is it actually threading the loot? Rubber ducky. You are in the array. Bucket.
stats.
I put mine in there for a laugh, but yeah, I can remove it. Bucket is in there. Yeah, I think the print's just wrong. Yeah, it's working now. Nice. Yeah, it's working. That's only giving us random loot.
Sweet.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, an additive like custom array was the way to fix that. I guess I misunderstood how removing from an array a copied array works. Ah, sick. Ah, that's perfect. Yeah.
Alright, I got the skybox created.
Awesome gamer, how we doing, man? What's up? Will the interiors actually randomly generate? Thought about it, and I think there's too many too much like debugging and potential issues with that. Especially with like pathing and whatnot. So to avoid a potential nightmare, I was thinking we would just have preset layouts. But the best thing about having preset layouts is it will allow us to craft an experience that'll be good. Like you'll get it in Lethal Company where like literally you can go into a maze and it'd be just awful. It'd be crap. And you go into other ones and they're really good and really awesome. And because it's completely random, you just get a complete random roll of the dice, and whether you get something that feels and is fun to explore, or something that's awful and impossible and like confusing as hell and just terrible. So yeah, I think it makes sense. If we have time at the end, that might be something worth exploring. The way I've set up the prefabs would make it easier to go down that route. But then you need to start turning everything into models and then moving and generating the collision. I guess yeah, col maps. Have you worked with like script models which have col maps on them?
Only once, but that was because it was a vehicle.
And that works all right. Like so if you just spawn something in the col maps there.
Yeah.
Theoretically it should be not too crazy then. You could just generate the
What the fuck?
you could set it up right, but it does add a lot more work, basically. Yeah, how you doing, awesome gamer? You right? Ready as well. Hello, Ready. What's going on? Right. So I'm gonna add a button to I'm gonna add a button in just to debug like leaving to go to the ship. So we can test that logic out. Okay, so let's call it leave. Right, let's play some music. What are we feeling today? Lo-fi house. No. No. Picture garage. Alright, let's spawn these rubber duckies. Trying to think of where I've spawned stuff. Set model. Some noob. I'm gonna spawn, do set model. Yeah, that's what I want to do. I was gonna do spawn struct like this and then do set model. I've done it before though, and I want to do it the same way that works for me. I just can't remember. Oh, here. Okay, this is working perfect. Yeah, I want to use this function. That's the one. I know what you mean though, that yeah, you can use the util one as well, but I don't need that. Don't need it. What's wrong? I don't need that. To replace with level dot LC items. A there, 1, 2, should be 2. Passing in the item. We need to pass in the I guess the item. We're doing ID, we're doing the whole ID. Oh, that's the item. So I can just do item. Yes, item 2. Nice. Item 2. Bosh. Beautiful. Yeah. That's beautiful. I've already set up the duct work. Docky. No, the duct is in the level there, so it's fine. I printed this, by the way, to organize my desk. I got one of desk organizers. Yeah, it says Fusion 360 on it. Now there's not crap everywhere on my desk. I don't know. I've literally put it there and I've not used it yet. Yeah, I want to turn off zombies. Are you in Turkey? Of course, man. How is it out there? Yeah. Oh, we got it placed in the ducts. But I broke the triggers with the latest update. At least we can see what's spawning. Kind of cool. Cool. Alright, let's fix that. So I think I'll just make it the trigger. So we go like that. Should be fine. And then in the reset, we'll just do that, which is good. That's just as good. Okay, let's set up the reset button. So that we can just go like this. Press to return to orbit. So at that point, we're going to do, what's that, man?
No, I'm talking to myself. Something's not working.
All good. Press to return to orbit. LC planet selected. I'm just going to do ++ right now, but later on we'll be able to change that to actually selecting the planet. equals 8. Is equal to 8. Then we're going to do sequence that's equal. So cool. So that logic is setting the loop. I do local wave. What's up, man? Cool. This is going to simulate it for now, but cool. So leave trigger. Okay, what I want to do is perhaps in a while. Cool. That resets it. So that's good. What I kind of want to do is have another wait here. So we'll have debug only set to spaceship. And then here I'm going to do debug only progress set moon. Once it's pressed, want to do leave trigger. Let's return to spaceship. Get to okay, so you want to press it and then it takes you to the spaceship, and then it will set the planet to 0, I guess. I think for now, yeah, I can just do a random in range. Okay. Level dot planet selected. Do random int range. Between 1 and 8. Like that. Planet selected. Yeah. It's going to do 1 and 4 for now. That way I can test the loop logic. So if we set this one to yeah, let me grab all the loop spawns. So script in 1. Okay, I'm gonna paste this guy here. Gonna make him like a dark purple. I don't like that. Let's go with a off cyan. I've used all these bloody colours and other things, man. Okay, that'll do, that weird green. So int is going to be the I want one for the planet, one for the size. And do I make it more readable, maybe? Big, small, big or small? I'll just use a Boolean. I can use 0 and a 1, make it a Boolean. You know what? It's fine. We use the int for the planet, so alright, I'm gonna delete this. Okay, so everything around here is random spawns for the second planet. Then we got one here, it's going to be planet 3. Okay. Don't handle loot. Cool. So I've got literally all 4 planets, item locations right now. The idea is that we can flip between them. So leaving, and then sets this. Reset the loot when you leave, and then press to head to the next planet. Want to randomly set where they're going next. So I mean, ideally here we would set this to spaceship. But since we don't have a spaceship, I don't need to care about that. Because on the spaceship it'd be a different trigger. So we'll wait 3, 2, and I'll go here. And here we're gonna pick a random planet. Press to head to the next planet. Yeah, when you press it, yeah. We'll do that. Oh, we've already done that. We don't need that. We don't need that. Then what we want to do, we want to do the spawn logic again. So we need to initialize the loot. We're getting the day amount of loot equals the day. Okay, so here I want to progress the day. So progress the day. LC day plus plus. Open line bold. Day. Okay. So progress to the day, and then it's at the planet. Head to the planet. When you head to the planet, we want to actually initialize the loot. We can just do that. Initialize the loot. So I got to check for this to be cleared up. Yeah, what I want to do. Yeah, here is where I want to have a level flag. flag end on kill loot, clear loot, clean loot, loot. Clean up loot. So let's do a double check here. Also want to end on game over. Is that game ended? Cool. It's roundabout here. How do we? Is it flag set? Was it do boss and notify? That's what I'm looking for. So you take some time off coding. So easy to forget little things like that. Right, notify gets rid of the clip. Yes, this cleans up the loop. Says progress the day. Set the planet. Replace with terminal selection. Okay. Initializing the loot. I don't need the thread loot thing anymore. I can get rid of you. Loud. Don't need any of that anymore. All loot spawned. Okay. I think it's some of the best code I've ever written in my life. It's so clean and so so deep. Right, I want to go test this out. You have a good one, Patch, man. Thanks for stopping by. You're on holiday, bro. Don't watch me. Put your phone down. Pick up the margarita or the drink, whatever it is, and enjoy it. And enjoy your holiday. Yeah, don't watch me. I'll always be here. You won't always be on holiday. Dizzle. Yo, Ice, my mum's watching. Any chance she can see the map? She's seen Lethal Company. I've not made the map. I've made some prefabs, which are like template locations that are modular, so we can like basically build the layout. But yeah, so the idea is that Where is it? Let me grab one of the prefabs. So like this one, for example. Let me place this over here. So yeah, the idea, I've set it up on the grid. So you see how I'm just clicking like this. I literally click and I'm generating the whole way. That simple. And then say say I want to like curve round to like curve round to the left, for example. I can do this, and then yeah, so we want to go round to left again. Go like this, and then say we want to go round to the left again. We can go like that. Yeah, so you see how I've put this level together really quickly. So I've worked on all the pieces, and then this is the magic of making them modular on the same point. I can then just pick what I want this room to be. I want it to be a jump room. It's now a jump room. You know, maybe I want this one to be a jump room. Then I can set this to a jump room. Yeah, it'll look nice when we've done the art for these and made them like look nice. Literally, it'll just be like that. Take 1 second, and then the whole map is like detailed, because we only need to detail that room once, and then where it's used like 30-40 places, it will be perfectly done. So that's the magic of prefabs. And then because we got set metrics, it feels nice and it's easy to assemble. So like here, for example, there's a stair room, for example. The stair room is actually a half width. So for the stair room, we'd have to, I mean, yeah, you can have a couple of them, basically. I don't think I've ever seen 2 stair rooms like that. Lethal Company has certain rules for how they put rooms together. I think they always separate a stair room. There's always the room that's touching another room is never the same. So it just we'll use some of the same logic. I think we've both played quite a bit of Lethal Company, Logical and I. So we'll just see what feels right, really. There won't be any craziness to it. But yeah, I want a fun layout, some verticality in there, something that's like plays well for a zombies map. So like not much like A to Z, point to point, a little bit of looping in places, and yeah, to have good progressions. So maybe you start off on quite a constricted. Well, actually, if it's gonna be zombies, doesn't matter too much. If we're not having zombies in the maze, if we had zombies in the maze, then we'd probably want to have the smaller rooms to start off with, and then players will then unlock the bigger rooms, like the factory and the loot room, and even the utility room. So they don't have like what they would use as training spots straight off the bat. Right. Yeah. Right. Let's see how this looks. I shouldn't need to disable the zombies anymore, because oh yeah, I haven't put the check in for the loot. Oh yeah, I'll do that now. Okay, yeah, I can see what happened there. Yeah, it's spawning items even like out here. Oh, that's good though. The trigger's now working, so that's good. Did I put scrap metal as one? Yeah, I did. Yes, that's good. Yeah, no, the item building is good. Wait, did that trigger not work? Ah, interesting. Well, yeah, it could be because I'm outside of zone. Uni triggers get a bit weird when you're outside zones. They may not work. Could be what it is. Yeah, I need to set up the need to set up the item per planet. So that's a script that I've got in there. So where I'm doing this, where is it here? Hopefully that was a good walkthrough, Dizzle. And hello. No, David Sacro. Love your maps. Really fire. Appreciate it, dude. Game of Rocks. What's up, man? Welcome, welcome. TNT. Can't wait to see the other Leave for Company maps in the workshop. I'm sure most of them will be better than mine, but I was the first, so I'll take it. Yeah. Now you got that out real quick. That's impressive. How you doing, local baby? You right, man? Be kind. The author's in the chat. Just stop talking, trash talking. No, I'm kidding. TNT. I have nothing but good things to say about your map, and yeah, feedback, I guess. Right. Yeah, the spawn loot at the moment. Wait, I'm spawning a duck. Okay. Yeah, we only want to get loot locations. Yeah, we want to pass this though. So we want to pass this and only provide ones that are in the planet that we're in. So what we kind of want to do is oh, that's what I'll do. Oh. So then for each location in locations all, here I want to set up a loot locations array, and we want to do loot locations dot size equals location if the script string script int is equal to if local description is equal to equals level dot LC planet selected. So we are only grabbing the yeah, this is spawn locations for current planet. Then we're randomizing it.
Alright, Ice.
Yeah.
Look at my screen real quick. I did the skyboxes.
I'll show it on the screen.
Yeah, you can.
Oh.
So this is the sand planet. I like pixelated it, the HDRI. We have the swamp planet.
Oh, that's sick. Yeah.
This will be a jungle. It'll be darker. I just made it blue though, just look like a sky.
That's cool, man.
Chronosphere one, which is like the time, I guess. I don't know. It's purple. We have the
I'm loving it. Yeah. And then the cheese one.
The
No.
tundra.
Okay.
The cheese.
Yeah.
And then the last one, which is like the alien one. Yeah.
That looks sick. I like that.
I do need to make, I guess just a really dark. I guess the whole skybox will be a space.
That'd be cool, man. I like that.
Sweet, sweet, sweet.
It's such a weird feeling when you've coded something and it took literally like 10 seconds, but it feels like I've not done enough. It was too easy. Like it was not enough work. So I'm sat here staring at the code like I feel like I'm missing something, but I'm not. I think it is that easy. It's done. We need to check it out now. So yeah, it should spawn loot in whatever planet you're in, and then delete it and clean it up when you leave back to the ship, which is quite good. Yeah, I want to have a variable on the loot that basically sets what size they are, so they can only spawn. Do we care about that? You know, they don't care about that in Lethal Company, but like they spawn big objects on small shelves, and it sort of like collides into the shelf. Do we care about that sort of thing or not? Because
No.
yeah,
I
YOLO,
think
I
it
think.
adds goofiness.
Yeah, okay, let's that makes it easier to code then. Cool. Alright, well, we'll check this out. Yeah, I heard what you said, Mr. Gal. I've turned it up a little bit. So I think someone else making a Lethal Company map as well. I think TNT's already released one. He's in the chat. I think there's another Lethal Company map.
I think so too.
Who's working on that one? I can't remember. I think it's someone in my Discord. Don't know. I think is the workshop working again now? Okay. I got to turn it off, otherwise it's gonna go crazy with the. Right. Do we? Oh yeah. Okay. Get our car engine. That's correct. Oh, correct. Seems pretty good. Oh, I never thread that function. Yeah. Did that one.
Why is this not updating?
Oh, I don't want that there. Cool, let's do that. All right, well, that's compiling. Let's start looking at... I think what other logic do I want to code in here? Should I code in the selling functionality? Selling back to the company.
Well, I think we should get the player inventories going so that you can actually pick up stuff and you can only have a certain amount, like only 4 items.
Yeah, do we want that? So we want to have a limit
yeah.
on what they can pick up. All right. I will.
And we could have a weight system as well, where certain objects are, like, they'll slow down the player. If they have too much stuff, you know?
Mm-hmm.
My computer's dying.
Right. So let's check this out. We've got a duck, rubber ducky. I'll leave you there. Return to spaceship. Day 2, planet selected 1. Okay, well, if we go in here, the ducks should be dead. Ducks are dead. Okay. Probably have an ant count going for this. So we've now headed to the first planet. Oh my god. That's sick.
Did it work?
Yeah.
Let
Yeah, it's working.
fucking go. Oh my god. Oh, and Rex just sent me the AI stuff.
Oh, wicked. Yo, waffle chew. Bro. Wait, where's the sound on that alert? Why do I have these problems with these systems, man? Some days they work perfectly, other days just fall apart. Sounds don't work. It might be missing text. It might say the wrong amount. Dude, absolute legend. That is a commission thing, so I'm gonna be making a camo for Waffle Jew, which should be really cool. Like a waffle camo. But dude, huge thank you, man. Thank you for the tip. The 60, that's very, very kind of you. That's more than we said. Very, very kind of you. Let me, where do I go for that? Activity feed. Yeah, I don't know. It should have had like a cool sound with it. You know what? Stream Elements is better because you get more of the dono, less like in fees. But It's a bit buggy. Like, I don't know if other streamers have these problems. It's kind of annoying. If I go here to, there's this one here, and then if I do emulate tip custom, what is this? 60. Oh, that is just the sound. Oh, that's just the default one. Oh, that's a bit lame. So that's my fault. Upload the sound. It should play the.
My name is Bill.
Oh man. Maybe I don't know what one to play. Yeehaw. Jesus Christ. My ears. I'm sorry about that. What the hell? That was so loud. Okay. I'm gonna try and find a better audio clip for that. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe this one. This one will scare the bejesus out of me though, so I'm a bit worried about this, but yeah. Let me do save. And now if I emulate it again, so we'll just do a fake dono. Yeah. That was cool, but
Born
I feel like
too late to explore the Earth, born too early to explore the universe, born perfectly to explore dank memes.
there we go. Panzer zombies. Why can't I find a Panzer GIF? Panzer Call of Duty. Do I need to type in its full name, like Soldier, that, or whatever it is? I don't know. Panzer COD Zombies. How can I find a Panzer GIF? COD Zombies. The Panzers not exist. Am I dreaming of? Yeah. Why do they not exist on Google? Are they not called Panzers? Panzer Soldat. GIF. Okay. Call of Duty. That's not a single person on this entire planet made a Panzer GIF. I guess I gotta make one. I think I found one. Stream. Let's put it there for now. Save. Video. All right. Last time to emulate this, because I didn't like that. That was crap. 60 waffle Jew. Ice grenade is holding me hostage with fake messages. Right. That's better.
Ice grenade is holding me hostage with fake messages.
Right. The text size is a bit small, so I've increased it. Right, that'll do. Enough messing about. Alright. Yeah, go to the next planet. All it spawned. Oh, look at that. You know, it's only spawning on this planet. You should have different stuff as well. I forgot why this one doesn't spawn. Is it because is it in the ground too much? That could be a problem. What? Arts, man, thank you so much.
Shall I have an announcement to make?
Wait, what?
I wonder what he will say.
Art says hello, noob.
Yo, man. Thank you so much for you testing that out. How you doing, Arts, man? Hey, what's up, Ivo? Bro, thank you for that one. I appreciate it, dude. There was a one right, or did I misread that? I think the font's too small. I can't see it. Yeah, one. Appreciate it, dude. How we doing? Oh, man. That's better. Yeah, I don't know if this one not working is this one's not working as well. I don't know if it's like there's like a volume in the way or something. Or if it's a zone. I might test the zone theory real quick. Yeah, I really appreciate it, man. Alright, shut that out. Will the on-screen effect environment have a similar psychedelic vibe? Yeah, so there's gonna have, we plan to have it feeling kind of like Leaf Company in that sense, like the visuals as a player will look like that, using a mix of LUTs and maybe vision files to make that effect. And we just you might want to scroll back like 10 minutes back because Logical was showing off all the different.
I actually just updated all the lighting and skyboxes.
Oh, okay. Do you want to show it off again? I'll put it on screen.
Yeah. So this is like the default space skybox. That'll just over encompass the whole map. And when you get launched outside of the ship, because I feel like we should still do that, or we should add that, you know?
Yeah.
Like
definitely.
when you lose, you get launched out. I didn't put a reflection probe, so I don't know what the lighting looks like. But for all the planets,
you know, if we do this right, this could be one of the most played maps ever. I reckon people will love it.
Yep.
Yeah, we kind of spoke about this earlier, that like we want to get it out for the contest, but like, you know, there's nothing stopping us if we wanted to go to town with it. Like, but it's our whatever obligations we have.
Absolutely not. We could always update the map
Yeah.
after the contest, like it's completely over. But yeah, everything is working with the lighting. All the skyboxes are fully set up. Yeah.
I like that. Very cool. I wonder if we want to make the skyboxes bigger. Like, what is it? You simulate sort of walking around when you're in the middle. Do they feel?
Oh yeah, let me
Do they feel too big? Does it? Does the?
I kind of like the feeling of it being really small.
Yeah.
Like the skybox. Like if you go to the edge, you're like close to it.
Feel like
It kind of
Truman
almost
Show.
feels like otherworldly. Yeah. But you can see what it does to like the models and stuff, this LUT.
Yeah.
Like if I threw in throw in a perk machine.
What do you want to do about perks?
Jug looks like?
Buy them on the ship.
Oh, that looks so good.
Hmm. Yeah, what it's doing here to light with from the light. Yeah, it's cool.
You could see, like, if I disable the LUT, you could see what it does, like to the contrast. Like it just pixelates all the darks and all the brights. Like where? Oh my God, where'd it go?
Power do we need to recreate?
I'm trying to see what's.
I feel like Power fell off a bit though. It was absolutely took the world by storm, and then now it's disappeared off the face of the planet. But yeah, that could just be bias because I'm not playing it anymore. So I'm busy doing other stuff. But yeah, feels like that to me. Did I compile it? Okay, that duck's good. Trying to find a broken duck now. Please tell me it's just a zone. I have every duck that I have checked so far. It is working.
What is the weather? 65 degrees. I'm about to put on a t-shirt.
Dude, the cleanup's really smooth. All loot spawn. I should have a check in there. Okay, it did it again here. There's obviously something happening where I guess if it's trying to place an item.
Are you doing with uni triggers or are you spawning a trigger?
Uni triggers. Yeah, I think it's to do with
It might be if the radius is too big and they intersect with each other, you can't interact with them. Unless you get the other one first, I believe.
Yeah,
You
I'm
just
not.
deregister the uni trig after you use it.
Yeah, I forgot to add that.
offer dress.
I do want to check.
I don't want to see what the taser would look like. I'm going to quickly port it.
I'll double check that it's not trying to print something that doesn't exist.
Yo. No. I was trying to
just go to Cyrus and watch the eclipse and be out.
I'm probably just gonna stay there, because I mean, if we're gonna drink, they'll probably drink with us.
You trying to go to Scanlan's?
Oh, I'll be
Maybe
down
like
to do that.
Or bring my true leader to their place too. What time are we leaving?
You want to leave in like 5 minutes?
Oh, nice. I don't know if that was passing over the UK. I haven't looked it up.
I
Sort of,
feel like they're gonna bleed.
there's a certain visibility path for it, isn't there? But
Yeah, where we live, it's 90 to 80%. So it's like it's pretty close.
I'm trying to see if it passes over the UK, but it's only showing the States. No eclipse visible where I live. Nice.
Dang.
If you live in Scotland or Ireland, you can just about see a bit partial. I never got around to sending you the latest prefabs.
Oh, don't worry about it. Honestly, it's probably best if you just send it all at the end, and I'll just spend like a whole day detailing each one just in one shot. This is what the taser looks like, by the way.
Oh, that's pretty
the
cool.
First weapon for our map. Really poopy low poly, but you know.
That's it.
I think I'm gonna take the textures and like pixelize everything Let me do that now. And I'll make it even smaller, like 512 by 512. So it gets even that more doo-doo look.
Seems to be location specific on the structs. So maybe it's just because they're not above ground enough. You too, Ray, what's up, man?
Oh, okay, I might have pixelized it a little too much. Maybe I should only do it on the color map.
It's like that one is always a problem.
That and the normal.
I forget to set them to 4.
Oh yeah, that looks better. That looks so much better.
Oh.
What do you think?
Discord's frozen. Oh. Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's good.
I like what this LUT does with shadows.
That's pretty cool. Logical streaming too, only on Discord. This is his screen. I'll hop to it when he wants to show something.
Yeah.
Trophy.
Oh.
Trophy is only 2. Okay, that's a good demonstration. Just those 3 aren't working. Yeah, same ones again. Use debug. Entity. I don't know what. Yeah, so it exists. Yeah, triggers spawn in. Under the floor. No, it shouldn't be. But it's the same place every time, so I feel like it's probably worth checking.
Oh, Sarah said they're not even home yet,
Oh,
so got like 20 minutes.
I think I know what the issue is. Yeah, I think it's to do with the scale. I think it's to do with the scale that gets automatically set when I do the plant option. Yeah, weird bug, but set model, set angle, what angle?
I'm gonna work on creating some models right now while I have time. I got like another 20 minutes.
Nice. Check that out. Yeah, I think it's to do with the scale. Because I was just pasting stuff in. I think it was a weird behavior to do with the origin. So if I scale this up to 1.2, doesn't make a hell of a lot of sense. But we'll find out. Find out if it's to scale soon.
Real quick, can you send me the item list so I could just have it in our DMs?
It's what you sent me, but yeah, I'll do this. I'll send you a file.
Thank you.
Yeah, the only thing I really changed from that was just automating the IDs, which is using that function or that bit of code, so they're all set to 0, so that we can add as many as we like, and it will just automatically set the IDs. And then also I changed planet to planet array, so to say what planet it's on, because some things will be on multiple planets, like Rubber Ducky might be on the first 3 planets.
Yep. Yeah. And then it might not be any others. Makes sense.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah, exactly. Like Goldenrod, for example, or 115 sample was in 3, 4, and 5. So it's on planets 3, 4, and 5. But yeah, we can pick and choose what's where. We can reward people for going to the harder places. Oh. Gonna play some of this. Please work. Oh, balls. Oh, bug's still here. I don't know what's causing that. Make a mental note of it. So that one's not working. We'll respawn it and see what happens. Back right corner. Anything wrong with that? Spawn. I didn't Kenny with someone.
I love my mics so much.
Middle one. I just start deleting the ones that are broke and see what happens. Planetary. Structure origins -1. This is what I'm thinking. If this is technically underneath, I think it can be an issue. Oh, do you know what it is? Yeah, it is that. It's the origin, like I thought it was. So it's got some weird origin. Zero it. Yeah, it's -8. You know, that's what the issue is. If I grab all of the loot spawners, Can I set just the 0? That will override all of them, won't it? Yeah. Yeah, only matters if I'm missing a field here. Ah, snap to model. I reckon that's causing the issue. Yeah. That's the issue. Snap to model was causing the issue. Okay, that's fine. I see that. Okay, I'm glad we figured that out. Okay, just gotta be careful then on this. I think I know what I can do. I think I can do like this. And then I can do Control G. And now. Yo, party boy, how we doing, Max? Day? Thank you so much, dude. Just hit 4 years, by the way. Need a new badge. Yo. Wait, is it
from
4 years? Bro,
the
man.
development is going well. Just hit 4 years. BTW need new badge. Lol.
Yeah, that's wild, man. Thank you so much, dude. Thank you so much. Have they unlocked a 4th year badge that I can set? Let me have a quick look. Dude, thank you so much, man. Very kind of you. 5 from Max Day, party boy. How you doing, man? Very kind of you. Let me see. I'm curious if they've unlocked it because it didn't exist last time. Let me see. Memberships offers. Where do I go? Customize default perks? No. Yeah. Oh, I can. Oh, there's a new one. Look. 48 months optional. What do we set it to? What do you reckon? Should we make that right now? I feel like it should be something. I feel like you should have some say in it if you're the first person to hit it. Although I think patch would have already hit that, but we did the patch star patch for because of patch. So I guess yeah, your turn to pick one. Maybe we do like I feel like we're gonna spend some time on this. I can do just a temporary one for now. Just so you can stand out a bit. Your epicness, epic support. Right, do a little VIP thing. Shadow. Okay, I need to get some background on there so I can see what that looks like. Oh, I painted that on the wrong layer. Well done, ice. Yeah, this one's temporary, but right, save as VIP. Put that here. Save. Save as. And then PNG, save. I don't know where I just saved that. PNG. Oh, it's on the desktop. Okay. Select image. Desktop. VIP. Is that visible? Maybe I need to change the yeah, let me change it, make that a little bit. I don't know what it's doing right now. Cannot. Yeah, I don't know what that was. Bit of weird. Right, here we go. VIP. Cheers. Okay. Let's try that. Save as VIP2. Save. And that's better. You see that? I think it needs to be. This needs to be a bit darker though. Bevel. Right, save as. There we go. I don't know about the font though. You know what? That'll do. That'll do for now. Right, if you refresh your chat. Oh, I didn't have that on all messages, my bad. Type something, party boy. I want to see if that works. Oh. Do a test. Oh, that's sick. Little trophy.
Yeah, I made a few actually.
Let's have a look.
Let me show you. So this is the trophy.
Very nice, very nice.
Let me just put this into a collection. Got a notebook.
Nice, nice. Bit of a wonky one.
Got a bucket.
Nice, nice.
Some scrap metal.
Very nice.
All untextured. I was just gonna make all the models and then texture them.
Cool, man. Is that all of them?
All the ones I've made so far.
Oh, looking good.
I need a tea kettle now. Thank you, thank you.
Is that what you guys call it? A tea kettle? We call them a teapot over here.
I think it depends. I just have it written down as tea kettle.
Right. Let's see if I fixed it. Look. Hey, there we go. Fix the bug. Yeah, good shout. Was it Mr. Gad? Yeah, man. I was looking for the issue, and you literally, yeah, pointed it right out. So appreciate you. Saved me. I'd like to think not much time, but it could have been a bit more faffing about. You went down the same thought route that I had, that the trigger was spawning under the ground for some reason. And I was just confused because I was using the plant tool to plant it to the ground. But it turns out that using the plant tool, if you've got snap to models enabled, can have a difference that will mess it up. So yeah, if we can pick up all the ducks, then it's resolved. It's looking pretty good. We've already picked up one of the broken ones, or previously broken ones. No, that's amazing. Yeah. That's working. That's awesome. Oh yeah. Oh, it feels good. I gotta fix these probes, man. Just get rid of them for now. So the origin of the model is really important, Logical. I'm sure you understand that.
Yeah, I'm putting it all in the right on the floor.
Okay, cool. Yeah, it should work just fine.
God, I love my mic so much.
It's stuck on dial up your mic. No, that's a successful test. I'm going to wrap it up here, but I'll be working on this a bit this week, I think. I can send you everything I have so far. Or do you don't want me to bother sending the prefabs? I think these prefabs, in my mind, are done. Like, in terms of the setup, so I'll
Okay. Yeah, if you want to send them, then
yeah. Have you got Radiant open at all?
no.
That's all good. Yeah, out of these prefabs, I'll just write you a list of the ones that you can crack on with.
Okay.
Yeah, custom maps.
All right.
I'll just do these loot spawner things. So. Stair room. Jump room.
What? Can you really?
A little bit.
You ready to go? All right. Yeah, they're home now. Let me check our location.
You want to see this real quick?
I do.
See it all real quick. Okay. So it's easier.
Oh yeah, they'll be home in like 5 minutes. All right, Ice, I'm about to peace out.
Yeah, have a
Good
good one,
stream, good
man.
work.
I'll send it over
Peace
and
out,
you
chat.
can do what you like. Yeah.
Short.
Yeah.
Peace.
Start room. Cool. I'm gonna do this cat work. Okay. Going through these one by one. Got the jump room. Jump room, stair room. I should put the door bits in the one above. Copy. delete, save, go up, paste. Save, nice. So stair room is done, storeroom. Right, cool, grab all of these. Grab all of these. Copy, delete, save, go up, paste, save, go up. Okay, nice. Okay. Copy, delete, save, go up, paste, save, nice. Cool. And then there's the jump room. Copy, delete, save, go up, paste, save, go up, save, and then what's off the jump room? Stair room. I think we've done the stair room. So if I go down, the doors are already separate. Yeah. Okay, so I just need to relay this to logical, and then I think we are done. So the rooms have the rooms as parents have the room name stamp in the name. You would place those out to create a layout, then stamp each one, which will release the module entries, connectors, allowing you to change the doors, etc., and the loop spawners. Anything that needs to be edited when stamped lives in the stamp version. Anything art, visuals, etc., all the same, goes in the child level, aka jump room, aka jump room stamp. Gonna do some little markings like this to make this even easier to read. Like that. Cool. Then I need to package this up. So, okay, package this up, which is here. And do a delete here. Do a compress. And to use it. It's fine. Yeah. Just put like a 2 here. Cool. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Sabine, good to see you. I'm literally wrapping this up, but awesome to see you. Impeccable timing. And yeah, hope you're doing good. Alt storeroom 01. I don't know. I guess ignore the layouts folder. What is in the what's the layouts one? Oh, that's just the interior. Okay, yeah, it's the inside of it. That's okay. Yeah, I hope you have a good one. And yeah, I'll be back on Wednesday for a stream. So I'll see you guys all Wednesday. Yeah, back on Wednesday. I'll probably be continuing more of this. So yeah, we've made some great progress today. We've got a loot spawner system working in nicely. And now it works with the module kit. So to show you what that looks like, very simply. When it comes to building our worlds, be able to just place them out. Swap this one to a jump room, maybe. You know, put another one over here. And say this is our layout. We can just grab them and do stamp. You know, and then we can set the doors. So say we want, I don't know, all these doors to be walls because, well, they're walls. We can set that to a wall, and now we have like any. Okay, I missed that one. Okay, that one's a locked door. Now we have our enclosed room. It's gonna be that easy, and then we can set these to the right planet by just hiding the prefabs. One of these ones here. They go like this, and then go in here and pressing 2. And now we have set up this. That's all that's going to be needed to set up the entire planet. Done. So yeah, Logical's going to go in here and make this look pretty. And yeah, I'm working on some of the logic scripting and putting it all together. And yeah. Your 10 badge. Yeah, there you go. You got the new badge. Yeah, it's temporary. I mean, if we like it, it might stick around. It does look pretty clean. What do we reckon about the badge, guys? Is it good? I mean, most of these are temporary, but they've just stuck around permanently. I think it looks good. We'll leave it for now. I might have a look at the palette of the color palette of them and see what makes sense. I definitely need to clean them up a little bit. Might do a new set of icons because they don't really match, do they? Like this icon matches this icon, but doesn't match this icon, and then this one doesn't match anything. This one kind of matches this one, but it's got nothing to do with diamond with the patch. So yeah, I think we'll do something. I want to have it very noticeable that we're different. Anyways, huge thanks to all you guys. Thanks for your love and support and the good comments. Today's been great. We've got loads done. Yeah, loads done. Lots of cool code. It all worked, and yeah, really, really good. Loads of lovely messages, support, lovely people in the chat. Appreciate you hanging out. And then yeah, Waffle2, it has commissioned and given a nice tip on the top. Appreciate you, man, for doing a camo. So at some point we're going to put a camo together for Waffle2. Think of like dripping maple syrup over pancakes, not pancakes, over waffles. Pancakes, what am I talking about? I'm from England, okay? Over here, pancakes, waffles, it's all the same. It tastes the same, they're just a different shape. Yeah, no, it should be cool. I've got an image in my mind of what that might look like, and I'm thinking of like the old way they did the old blood dripping camo, but just to like have that sort of logic, but switch it up to be like a vibrant like waffle with with syrup on it. But yeah. Oh hell no. No, pancakes are no, waffles are superior, that's what I was gonna say. Because it stops ingredients running away, right? We've got some ice cream. I love waffles or pancakes with ABS. Waffles are the S tier pancakes. They're good. They're yeah. Sorry, I was looking at my 3D print thinking, has it messed up? I can't really tell. Oh my god. The line speed's crazy. You like your waffles? Well, yeah, I do. I love waffles myself. The I love ice cream on waffles. You know, chocolate sauce or toffee sauce or something with ice cream and then cream. They're like some crushed up Biscoff. Oh, yeah, that's good. Now we're talking. Bananas and toffee. Amazing. Right, I better go because I'm running late. But thank you. See you guys Wednesday. Take care. Don't forget to smash the like on the way out. I'll see you next time. See you Wednesday. Bye 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 bye. Peace. It's cool to hang out with Logical today. Yeah, man.